All right, here we go. There we go. How's that? You good? You good? My baby girl. Look at your shirt I've got on. Look at this nice shirt. What's that say? That say Symon girl on it. Is that you? Did you attack me yesterday because you thought I was cheating on you with another birdie? You did, didn't you? You bit me in the neck. Have you accepted that there's another bird in my life? Have you? You're looking at it? What do you think? Who is that? Is that Symon girl? Is that Symon girl? I'm Symon and I'm a girl. I'm Symon girl. Get off my teeth. You can't have them. They're mine. I need them. Stop! That was aggressive, wasn't it? Don't do that.